Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll quickly see how to calculate NPV and IRR in Python. There are simple inbuilt functions to do that. So let's look at the problem. A company is investing $10 million in year 0, beginning of year 0. Project expects to generate cash flows of 4 million, 3 million and 4 million in the next 3 years. They have told us the discounting rate, which is 10%. We'll figure out what is the NPV and the IRR for this project. Okay guys, so let's first import the infamous numpy. And rest is easy. Okay, first let's put down the cash flows. We put down the cash flows as a list in Python. So it's 10 million outflow. So we'll call it minus 10. And then there are inflows 4, 3 and 4. And the discounting rate is 10%. So 0.1. What will be the IRR? The IRR will be numpy IRR and just call the cash flows. And what will be the NPV? The NPV will be numpy NPV, first the rate, then the cash flows. Now let's print. Let's round it off. Let's convert it to a percentage of 2 decimals. Yes. Backslash n to go to the next line, and then we have NPV. Again, let's round this off. Let's put a dollar, and we are good to go. I think we are good to go. Are we? Yes. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's put a percentage around here. That looks better. So the IRR is 4.92% and the NPV is minus $0.88 million. And these IRR and NPV functions in numpy are going to get depreciated, and instead we'll have to use numpy _financial. Cool, we'll do that next time round. Thank you guys.